Hello everyone, I am Vasudev Kamath. Today I am going to present on the topic Form 10BB Audit Report and ITR-7 Reporting. So what are these forms? These are the audit report forms applicable for trust NGOs which are registered under section 12A and for schools, hospitals, etc. under section 1023C. These are the forms filed with Income Tax Department to claim tax exemption. So why are these forms? So in India, some charitable organizations such as hospital, education, school will get tax exemption. So in return, we have to show some information, show transparently how their funds are utilized. So that's where Form 10B and 10BB applicable. So they are the audit reports, basically a way of saying, look, we followed the rules. Applicability of form. So trust audit will be applicable if their gross receipt or donation exceeds rupees 2,50,000. So Form 10B applicability. Basically it is for a big trust. If their gross receipt exceeds rupees 5 crore or trust or institution has received any foreign contribution, trust or institution has applied any part of income outside India, then Form 10B applicable. So Form 10BB other than big trust. So all other trusts where audit is applicable. So basic summary, if gross receipt up to 2,50,000, no books should be maintained, no tax audit, no ITR. So gross receipt 2,50,000 to 5 crore, then books is mandatory, tax audit in Form 10BB, ITR mandatory. Gross receipt more than 5 crore, books mandatory, tax audit in Form 10B, ITR mandatory. If there is any foreign contribution received or application outside India, then instead of Form 10BB, the trust or institution is required to get its account audited in Form 10B. Contents of Form 10B. So, details of trust. Basic details such as name, address, PAN, registration number, income and expenditure details, then total receipts, application of income for charitable purposes, accumulation of income under section 11(2). This will be explained in future slides. Verification of condition, whether income has been applied properly, whether any income was used for personal or related party benefit, that is section 13 violation. So then compliance reporting, whether report books of accounts were maintained, whether required statements are furnished. Then last CA's opinion, certification by the chartered accountant on the whether the institution complies with the provisions. So now we speak about key conditions. So the income of charitable organization should be applied for their sole objectives. So at least 85% of the income should be applied for these purposes in the same financial year or accumulated for future application. So that is section 11(2). So section 11(2) tells that the accumulated income should be deposited in any saving bank account or fixed deposit or any other government bonds. So if income is accumulated, it should be done as per the specified in the act. So why it is important? It allows non-profit organizations to be exempt from paying taxes, enable institutions to focus on their resource on their social objective to fulfill, ensure transparency and accountability. Now we speak about process flow. First, the auditee should assign CA by logging into their income tax portal. Then assign relevant form, that is Form 10B or 10BB through my CA functionality or find form functionality to CA. Then by CA should accept the request under CA login and upload form under CA login. Then chartered accountant should prepare and file form, upload JSN wherever applicable and submit using DSC under CA login. Then step 6, that is by auditee, accept the form. Once it is filed, then complete the process of e-verification under auditee login. Then either auditee or CA, the submitted form can be downloaded from view filed forms functionality for both CA and auditee. So who should file ITR-7? Any person including trust or institution or a company that is required to furnish under the following sections, that is section 139 4A, charitable or religious trust claiming exemption under section 11 or 12. 139 4B, political parties if income exceeds the basic exemption limit. 139 4C, that is specified institutions like research association, new agencies, etc. claiming exemption under section 1021, 1023A, 1023B, etc. So, section 139 4D, university or education institution and hospital or medical institution not required to file return under any other provisions. Section 139 4E, business trust not required to furnish any under any other section. 139 4F, investment funds. So, key schedules of trust or institution. So, details of tax payment, that is advance tax, self-assessment tax and TDS, accumulation of income under section 11(2), political party details for section 139 4B. So, details of voluntary contribution like donors, their PAN, their Aadhaar and the amount they have transmitted. So, aggregate income before application under section 11, then revenue and capital expenditure, their bifurcation, details of registration under section 12A or 12AB and 1023C. Even provisional registration details should be entered. So, that's it from my end. Thank you.